Well, here I am at Idle Valley Nature Reserve in Retford, or just outside of Retford. I've been here quite a few times in the last, 5 or 6 years. There isn't much going on today. I just had a 1.5 mile walk and I've got a 1.5 mile to walk back. But I hope you enjoy this little trip out with me. It's a beautiful morning, it's 2 degrees, it was frosty when I got up about an hour and a half ago.
For over 20 years, Nottinghamshire Wildlife Trust has been working to restore areas of former gravel pits alongside the River Idle. After half a century of aggregates extraction, the central Idle Valley has developed into an incredibly diverse wetland landscape. The Idle Valley Nature Reserve, a site of special scientific interest since 2002, is a network of lakes, wetland, grassland and scrub covering around 450 hectares. It is a haven for wildlife, but it also acts as a gateway to visitors wishing to explore the wider Idle Valley landscape.